Want to see your phone screen on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Letsview app to mirror your phone screen to a PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, download and install the Letsview app on both your phone and your PC or laptop. Once installed, open the app on both devices. Now make sure your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, as this is required for screen mirroring. On your phone, tap on the screen mirroring button. The app will start searching for available devices. Tap on your PC name when it appears in the list. Next, tap on Share My Screen, select Entire Screen for sharing or recording scope, and then tap Start Now to begin mirroring. Your phone screen will now appear on your PC or laptop instantly. Alternatively, you can also connect using a QR code or passkey shown on your PC screen for a faster connection. Once connected, you can watch videos, play games, or present content from your phone on a bigger screen. And that's it. You can now easily mirror your Android phone to your PC using Letsview. Thanks for watching.